In this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate from Base44 using the built-in export option. This is a simple process, but there is one important thing to know first. You need an active subscription to complete this export. If you're ready, let's jump right in. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software guides like this one. First, go to the Base44 project you want to migrate. Make sure you are inside the exact project you want to move, because the export will apply to that project only. Once you're on the project page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots menu. This is where Base44 keeps the project options and additional actions. After the menu opens, find and click Export Project as Zip. This will package your project into a zip file so you can download it and move it to your new environment. Since this feature requires a subscription, make sure your account is active before you try to export. Once you click the export option, wait for the process to finish and download the zip file when it becomes available. That's all you need to do to migrate your Base44 project. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.